Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. This is the card we're making today. I already shared this over on Facebook, but I wanted to refilm it for my YouTube subscribers. Here are the supplies. We've got Lemon Lime Twist cardstock that measures 8.5 by 5.5. Whisper White that measures 5.25 by 4. Lemon Lime Twist again that measures 3 by 4. Gingham Gala Designer Series paper that measures 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. A rectangle that was cut out with the stitched rectangle framelets, and then 2 small ones for our greeting here. These are the framelets that I'm using, the stitched rectangle, and these are the 2 that I've already used. We're using the Amazing Life stamp set. This is a bundle in our Occasions catalog, so if you purchase these 2 together, you save 10%. This set is retiring. The framelets will be in our next catalog, okay? So let me get the Simply Scored scoring tool. Okay, I'm going to place it on the 8.5 inch side and score it at 4 1/4. And then fold this in half. We're going to take the Whisper White layer and attach it to the Lemon Lime Twist. Now don't forget, Lemon Lime Twist is an in color that will be retiring this year. So if you don't want to run out of your supplies like your cardstock, your ink refill, you want to get those because they are available only while supplies last. Okay, now if you're not a fan of this plain white background, you could emboss this layer if you would like. I love white space, so I'm okay with it. Next, I'm going to attach the Gingham Gala Designer Series paper. This item too is also retiring, so you might want to stock up on that. I ordered myself 10 packs of it the other day, along with the Whisper White sheer ribbon. Those are 2 items that I just cannot see myself going without. Okay, so now we're going to attach this to the front. Aren't you proud of me for using my liquid glue every day? Okay, there we go. Now, let me show you a couple other colors. Balmy Blue, Highland Heather. They're all so pretty, and they coordinate with the Gingham Gala sequins that are carrying over to the new catalog, so yay. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Memento ink along with the stamp, and I'm going to stamp this on my rectangle. The Stampin' Mat is perfect for these photopolymer images. If you've ever had difficulty stamping them, this is all you need, is a foam mat. Okay, and depending on where I stamp this happy birthday, we may put the sequin on the left or we may put it on the right. It just depends on which side I put it on, or I stamp it on, I should say. Looks like it's pretty equal. We'll put it on this side. Okay, I'm going to move the mat out of my way, and let's color. I'm using light Granny Apple Green for the cake. Even though this is Lemon Lime Twist, I'm using Granny Apple Green. And then I'm going to take light Daffodil Delight and color the flames of the candle. Now I'm going to take the Wink of Stella and apply some glitter to the cake. It's hard to see on camera, but it just gives it a really nice sparkle. Okay, so let's get the Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm going to turn this over. And I don't want to put it on my desk because it has that glitter, and I'm not sure that it's dried yet. I should say Wink of Stella, aka glitter. So maybe add your Wink of Stella after you add it to your card front. That way you don't have to worry about smearing it. Did I get ink on that? So I'm centering this, okay? And then this one, I'm going to take... I don't need this extra one here. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Take Your Pick tool. Now, no flames. I have used the paper piercer for years and years. I use it to lift up rhinestones, dimensionals, all kinds of things. The paper piercer is retiring, so I'm trying to retrain myself to use the Take Your Pick tool. It does fit in the Chick Stand steel, and then the interchangeable stylus that goes in here, which I'm sure you guys have already seen this, but you know you can score with this thing as well, and you can use the little spatula to peel up your cling mount stamps. Anyway, I'm going to retrain myself to use this since the paper piercer is retiring. So if you have your heart set on the paper piercer, they are available while supplies last. Okay, so that's going to go right about there. And I put the dimensionals, the mini dimensionals, in the middle because if you put it on the side, it would make that bulk up, okay? So put them right in the middle. And now we're going to take our rhinestones and our gingham gala sequins. And like I said, these sequins are carrying over. So not the paper, not the stamp set, but the rectangle framelits and the sequins are. I still have not, it's going to take a while for me to adjust to using this Take Your Pick tool, but just like you saw me adapt to the liquid glue, I can do it. Okay, so now I'm just going to add a rhinestone right to the middle. There we go. Place this back in my Chick Stand. I would suggest keep using the same hole, okay? Don't keep making different holes the way we do with the paper piercer. Okay, so here is my original. Here's the one we just made, and here are the other colors. Don't forget there's a free inspiration sheet over on my website that has all the measurements and the picture of the project, okay? Have a great day. Thanks a lot.